Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be about how to pass a road test in Canada in a car. So guys, as you can see right now, I live in BC, so I am already here at ICBC. So first thing is when you come here, you will take all your paperwork and go inside, and they will ask you once your paperwork is done, and then they will let you know that examiner will come and he will help you. So he will ask you some basic hand signal in case something went wrong with your car signal lights. So this mean is right, this mean left, and this mean stop or slow down. So these are normal hand signals. You guys can also Google it. No need to just follow my sign. There's like a lot of information on Google. Just simply Google hand signal for car driving. So once he asks you about hand signals, there's a vehicle inspection. You guys will be doing that. So I'm gonna explain right now what thing he or she will ask for you guys all the vehicle inspections. So about vehicle inspection. So first he will ask you about right signal, left signals, your headlights, and your high beams. After that, he will ask you for your windshield washer and wiper, and for the horn and backlights. Once the examiner did all inspection, so he will ask you to go whenever you guys feel safe. So before you guys park at ICBC, make sure you guys apply your handbrake or parking brake, and your transmission is in parking brake. So after he asks you to leave, so the first step you're gonna take is check this mirror. Once you check this, check both left and right side mirrors, and do a good 360. Good 360 means take your back forward and make it a good. And always the main thing, guys, so make sure your both hands are on the steering wheel, like not like this or like this. So he or she want you to drive like this, like when you guys turn left or right, like no crossing. If you guys cross your hand, that is right away fail. Once you guys are ready, and I already told you, so what 3 or 4 things are important to before you go, check your back mirror, side mirrors, and do a good 360. And most important thing is shoulder check, guys. If you guys want to really pass your test, focus on shoulder check, which I mean, guys, don't check your shoulder check like you want to pass test or something. Just check for your safety. So we know, when we do shoulder check, we actually have to look in passenger video, like nobody is coming. So after that so I'm ready to go now. So I will put in drive, release my brakes. So again, guys, I'm checking my back mirror, checking my right mirror, left mirror now, and I am doing a 360 and put my signal light on. And before I go, I always check my shoulder check. So shoulder check is most important thing in the drive test. If you guys want to pass in first time, make sure you guys do it very well. So I checked my shoulder check, and I'm moving my vehicle right now. I'm coming close to stop sign. So what is the procedure for, I'm going to explain you guys right now what is the procedure for stop sign. So I already checked my shoulder check, put right signal, and I am stop before stop sign. So some guys pass stop sign and then stop, and then they get demerit for the stop sign. So you have to actually stop at stop sign at least for 3 seconds. If you guys stop less than 3 seconds, he or she will mark you for the stop sign. So guys, I already made my complete stop, and now I checked my shoulder check again, and I am moving forward. This is a step for the stop sign. So most of the guys fail the test because they don't do any stop signs. So as we guys know, guys, there's a cop. He pulled some vehicle over. So always leave extra room. Just show examiner that you are really paying attention and checking all the mirrors. Just to reduce your speed and then keep going. So I'm driving in 50 zone, so I'm gonna speed up right now. So always follow speed limit, guys. You cannot just overspeed. If you guys overspeed, you will automatically fail. So I'm going to take my right turn and approaching the highway, and there is a yield sign. I'm gonna explain now what is mean by yield sign. So the yield sign means give way. Some guys call it give way. So like I mean, so there's like so much traffic ongoing, so I stop. So before I stop, I check my mirrors, checking everything. So always, guys, observation is the key too. So make sure you guys observe your mirror, what's going on around you. So now I already put in my signal light on, and I'm going to right on the highway, and I will try to explain you like check mirror and what's. So once I clear, then I will move on. So guys, I think I'm clear. So before turning, check your shoulder. So shoulder check is most important thing, guys. So the reason why I'm saying again and again, because this is very important things. If you guys do like very well shoulder checks, watch what's going on around you, you will 100% pass your test uh, without no problem. So the highway speed is 60, so I'm gonna speed up now. So So if examiner don't ask you to go like right or left, just keep driving. All and another tip, guys, again. So keep your both hand on the steering wheel. And now I'm passing my intersections. I'm checking both sides. Checking my mirror. And now he or she will might ask me how to change lane. So I'm gonna explain you guys right now how to change lane. So first thing, you guys, so check your back mirror. So now I'm going to left lane. So I check my back mirror, check my mirror, there's nobody coming, and I applied my left signal. Before turning, check my shoulder check and turn. So guys, so shoulder check is most important thing you have to do. Always remember, before you turn your wheel to left or right, shoulder check. So don't mess with the shoulder check. Shoulder check is very important thing. So please be aware to check your shoulder. So now I'm going to change my lane again to right. So I check my back, check my mirror, turn signal, shoulder check, and then I came in right lane. So this is very simple basic idea how to change line. So guys, I'm following speed. I'm going to right again, check my mirror, nobody's coming, check shoulder, turn right. So I'm gonna show you how to merge. So he will take you through these like to the route where you have all these things like yield, merge line, and everything. I'm approaching. So 60 highway speed, I speed up. So again, check my back, nobody's coming, check left. So signal on, shoulder check. So you guys can see like when I check my mirror and everything, I move my body. So some people like do like move their eyes. So you guys can get easily demerit. So make sure you guys actually move your body to watch in the passenger mirror so that nobody is coming. So I'm following my speed. Always, guys, always follow speed limit. Don't speed ever, even like 1 km/h. So if the speed is 60, you can drive like 58 km/h, not 61. So don't overspeed. This is the most dangerous thing. He can call you guys. He can give you violation or anything. So I'm approaching now red light. And another thing, guys, always when you guys stop, always make sure you have a good stopping distance. Like you should be able to see back tire of the vehicle next to you. So I'm stop at red light. You guys can see. So I stopped at a good distance. Like always leave out, which means if something happen, there should be option to go out. So now traffic light is green, so I'm going, keep going. I'm trying to follow speed limit whenever possible. Approaching intersection, so checking, nobody's coming. So I'm coming to complete red light again. So you might see these white lines. Make sure you guys stop your vehicle before white lines. So if you guys stop your vehicle past these lanes, you might get some demerit. So again, guys, good observation. Check both sides and follow your speed limit. I'm in 50 zone, so I'm changing lane again. Check my mirror, signal light, check shoulder, and turn to left. So shoulder check is very important thing, guys. You guys might hear me saying again and again. So I'm saying because I want all you guys to be success in first try. If you watch my video, guys, I'm going to promise you, you will 100% pass your test in first try. So I'm approaching to left lane again. Check mirror signal, shoulder check again. So guys, it doesn't matter you turn right or left. Make sure you check shoulder. So again, guys, check shoulder. I'm turning left. Check my shoulder. So guys, now I'm at playground zone. You guys can see. So I don't have to follow that right now because it's over 5 p.m. now. So after 5 p.m. you can. It's up to you if you wanna follow or no. So always, guys. So another thing. So playground and school zone are most important things in your drive test. The examiner will pretty sure he will take you or she will take you to playground or school zone. So school zone and playground speed limit is 30 kilometer per hour. And make sure you guys follow that speed limit. Otherwise, you guys are right away fail. And now you guys can see I'm approaching. So this is where it's gonna end. So another tip here, guys. Always school zone and playground zone will start on right and will end on left. And there will be like a hut and a square sign. So you guys can see in my video like how it look like. But remember, this will always start on right and on left. So it doesn't matter, it's either it's school zone or playground zone. Both are same. So now there's another thing, guys. So he or she might ask you to park. So park uphill or downhill. So the process for parking downhill, I'm gonna show you right now. I will show how to park uphill in my video too. So I'm parking right now on downhill. So I'm pretty close to the curve right now. I'm checking my mirror. So once you guys are parked, put in parking gear, applies your parking brake and turns your wheels to the right so that if your brake fail occur, the vehicle will go to the side of road, not into the traffic. So guys, I already show you how to park on downhill. So once he done that, now he's gonna ask you whenever you feel safe, get ready to go. So again, guys, always before moving, check your back mirror, check your both sides mirrors, and give it a 360, good 360. Then apply left signal, and then you release your parking brake, put it in drive. Before going, check your shoulder again. So shoulder check is most important thing, guys. So then I'm ready to go again. So I will continue my video, keep going, because I'm gonna explain you one more time playground. I'm going to approach a playground zone. So following my speed limit, I'm in the 50 zone. So now you guys can see. So my playground or school zone start at right side, and I will show you. Doesn't matter, guys. You are in school zone or playground zone. It will always start on right, end up on the left side. So guys, you might notice like this hand, like I'm just doing like this, but you don't. But you don't have to do like so. You must put your both hand on the steering. So you guys can see, so my playground zone on and on left. So now approaching on the stop, and I'm going on the left. So same process, guys. I already told you. So stop before stop sign. Stop for 3 seconds. This is a two-way stop. Check my mirrors. Check my shoulder, and I turn left. So shoulder check is most important thing, guys. Again, tell you how to take right on red light. So always, guys, red light means stop. You cannot like walk or go. So I already approach red light, stop, apply signal, check my all the mirrors back, then out. So this is a good example, guys. So I have to wait for all the pedestrian. So some guys, so like now you guys can see I can go, but I will not go. I will wait for those guys to cross this pedestrian walk. So make sure if you get any pedestrian, make sure you guys wait. So again, guys, light is green, check shoulder and go right. So you guys can see I'm approaching red light again. So I'm gonna put signal, check mirror, shoulder check, and I put it in my left lane, and I'm approaching white lane, and I stop before the white lane. So I'm gonna show you how to go left. So there are two types. So if there's an arrow on the left, just check for pedestrian, check your mirrors, check shoulder, and you can go. But if this is a solid green line and you want to go left, so make sure you wait for oncommenters right now. So you guys can so this is a solid green line. So I go little bit. Everybody's gone. Check my shoulder and I take my left signal. Left turn. So guys, as you can see, I'm coming to four-way stop sign. I'm gonna explain you guys. So I'm going to go right, checking my shoulder, and I'm approaching white line. So again, let's stop sign. Stop for 3 seconds. You guys can count 1, 2, 3. Four-way mean first come, first go. So it's my turn now. Checking my shoulder, nobody's coming, and I turn right. So yeah guys, so this is pretty much I covered all basic things the examiner will include in a road test, like yield sign, merge, change lane, go left on green light, go right on red light, go right on green light. Always watch pedestrians and always check your shoulder, check your mirror. And so this is pretty much everything. So after he or she might can ask you a little bit more driving. After all that, she will take you back to the ICBC. So I'm heading back to ICBC and will show you guys once you guys go back what will happen there. So as you guys can see now, I'm back at ICBC. Examiner will ask you to back up now. So I back up here. So now I put in my car in reverse. So again, checking my back mirror, nobody's there. Checking my right and left mirrors, giving it a good 360. And now I'm gonna. So guys, some guys have backup camera, so you are not allowed to watch that. So now guys, I'm gonna go back. When I'm going back, I'm giving shoulder check, checking my mirror. Always guys checking mirror, checking mirror, checking mirror, and both hand on. And you have to do like this, like not like this. So do like turn left or right like this. So checking again and again. So I am parked right now. Put it in park, apply handbrake. Always guys, I'm gonna share some tips. So number one tip is always guys make sure you check your shoulder very well. And the number second is always follow your speed limit. And number three, don't hit any curb or anything. And number four, always follow school zone and playground zone. So these are basic simple steps. So guys always observe, and I hope you guys all succeed. And if you guys like my video, like, and if you guys have any question or anything, there's a comment box. Drop your question in comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, and any question leave in a comment. And if you guys like this video, and I will come with my next video actual demo for road test.